Welcome to this video on how to create ACH templates in business banking. Templates save time and reduce errors because payment information is saved, so you don't need to keep entering it each time you want to schedule payments. And businesses can create as many templates as they need. Let's get started. There are a couple of ways to create templates. One way is to choose Move Money, then Manage Payment Templates, then click Add a Template. Another way is by going to Move Money, then choosing Make Collect a Payment. You'll click Make Payments, scroll to the end of the list, and click Add a Template. Choose the option that works best for you. Enter a name for the template. We'll call this one Company Payroll. Choose the funding account that will be used for payments. Then choose the template type. Enter a template description up to 10 characters long. The description passes to the ACH batch and displays in the recipient's transaction. Choose Batch Offset or Item Offset. Batch Offset is the default and most commonly used. Now we'll add an employee and enter their payment details such as account number and ABA. The system will validate the routing number to make sure that it's correct. You can also opt to create a pre-note to verify the recipient's information before sending them payments. You won't be able to schedule payments using the template for at least 2 business days while the pre-note processes. The amount to pay can be 0. You can enter the amount when you're ready to make payments. When finished, click Save. Click the button again to add more employees. When finished, click Save Template. If the business has admins or authorized users, the system will email them for approval. Once approved, the template is ready to be used. To schedule payments using the template, go to Move Money, then Make Collect a Payment. Click Make Payments and leave the first drop-down set to use a template. Now we'll select the template we want to use. You can change the amount for each recipient, choose the Deliver On date, and select a frequency. When done, click Continue to Review. If everything looks okay, click Pay. Before payments will be made, secondary admins or authorized users will be notified that approval is pending. Once provided, PFCU will process the file. And that's how to create and use ACH templates in business banking. Thanks for watching.